So today we're doing a different video. I don't think I've done one like this in a while. I know I did my very extra get ready with me nighttime routine thing not that long ago. But today we're doing one even more extra than that. And no, I don't have a special event coming up. There's nothing exciting happening. I truly just have not washed my hair in 4 days. I have not been taking care of my skin. I've also been doing so much Halloween makeup that I've had breakouts everywhere, and now I have dark spots. It's all just bothering me. So today we're gonna do the everything shower nighttime routine, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna start by setting up my face steamer, which it has suction cups. This is actually my mom's. I got it for her for Christmas. And I'm gonna use it if I can get the water tank out. So this is going to heat up. While it does that, I'm going to use, I saw somebody recommend doing this if your pores have been really clogged lately, using an oil cleansing, like an oil cleanser first. So this is a sample I got of the Ona Heartleaf Pore Control Cleanser. It just says apply an appropriate amount of oil to dry hands and gently roll over the entire face. Wash off with lukewarm water several times. So we're gonna do this first to get some of this surface stuff out while this heats up. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on my hands. It just is an appropriate amount of oil. I don't know what an appropriate amount is, but I'm gonna get in these places where I've really noticed like all the texture and things accumulating on my face because my lord. Oh, and now the steamer's going. So I'm gonna do this over the steam. So my pores start to open and we start getting this on the face. I'm really scrubbing here because like my skin is honestly to the point where I'm about to buy all that stuff on TikTok and just see if it works. Like the peel shot and everything, like doesn't work. But then I thought, you know what? Let's use the stuff I have. I'm gonna do what it said with the lukewarm water here. I just put it on a rag so that it goes a little bit deeper when taking everything off. Like I can use the fibers of the washcloth to get down in pores and get more of that dead skin out of there. I just feel like there's so much makeup and face paint and glitter just gunked up everywhere. So I'm just gonna stand over the steam for a few minutes and then we're gonna just do a normal wash of the face. So with the steamer still going, I'm just gonna kind of move it off to the side so I have a little more access to my sink. I'm gonna use my La Roche-Posay face cleanser. This is not the Effaclar, the purifying foaming gel cleanser for oily skin with the optimized pH. This is just the regular foaming cleanser. I just use the refill bags and put it in this pump because this is the pump I have. So we're just gonna do a normal wash with the face. So I saw a picture of my face from back in the day. If you guys are like OG subscribers, you probably know which pictures I'm referring to, of when I had cystic acne all the way down my face. And oh my good gracious, the way that I used to cry about my skin versus now, oh, like we prayed for days like this, you know what I mean? Like, wow. Back then, my face actually hurt. Like, I would take ibuprofen because my face hurt so bad. And now, like, I'm really blessed that I don't have a lot of scarring from it. I have some, but not a lot. But I show people pictures and they're like, I can't believe your skin ever looked like that. And I'm like, neither can I. So now we are going to do a mask. I am using this vitamin C and turmeric clay mask. It's deep cleansing and helps get rid of dark spots. This is definitely something I would use at this time because everything is just clogged. But again, I'm going to apply it in front of the steamer, and then I'll shut the steamer off when I'm all done applying. So I use one of these to apply. It's like this little rubber spatula I've had forever. And it helps keep, one, I hate the like feeling of a clay mask on my hands. But I also don't like sticking my fingers down in product if I can avoid it. So that's what we're gonna do. So as you can see, this mask is yellow because it has turmeric in it. So now I'm going to just spread this all out because I don't want my pores to start closing before I get the mask on. So now that the mask is on and I look ridiculous, I'm going to use this scalp treatment from Lush. It's the Super Balm. It has to sit for 20 minutes, so I figure by the time the mask is done, this will be ready to wash out. This is like very interesting paste. So you gotta kind of like warm it up in your hands first and then massage it in. So I'm going right at the back of my neck where I have this spot that just seems to get super itchy over and over and over again. This is also to help because I have so much dry shampoo in my hair right now. And just work this down into the scalp. Now, if you have thicker hair, this will be much harder for you, but I don't. So we're gonna go right here in the front because that's where my hair loss is mostly. Go this way with it. So now that I have the scalp treatment in, there's a hair here, I'm gonna run this through my hair with the wide tooth comb just so everything gets worked through. And then clip it up out of the way. So I am going to clean up what I've used, let this all sit, and then go to my next thing, which is going to be showering. So I can show you all what I'm going to use in the shower, because you're not seeing me shower. That's not this kind of channel. You feel me? Okay, so thing I'm going to be using in the shower, I just got this. This is the Dr. Bronner's organic shaving soap. Love this, other than the fact it's really hard to get out of the container. Am I stupid or what is with this? Someone let me know who's like used it before. Like, I know it's like a sugar scrub and soap and that kind of stuff. I really like it. Like, it gave me a really good shave, but I don't know. I can't, it gets clogged. Nothing comes out. So let me know about that. Then I am also going to use the, what is it? The Briogeo, Briogeo, I don't know how you pronounce it, Scalp Revival. So this is the shampooing micro exfoliant. Yeah, the micro exfoliating shampoo. It has charcoal and coconut oil in it. I think between this and this, that'll get everything off of my scalp. And then the scalp renewal mask as well, I'm going to put through my hair and let it sit. This sits for 10 minutes, so I'm going to do this while I do this. So for body wash, I am using this Fab Foaming 2-in-1 exfoliating and cleansing body wash from Bliss. So this is like an exfoliator and a body wash. I really like this, especially for like my back, with any acne and stuff I may get. This has been pretty helpful. I think it's an AHA based, but it soaks up really nice on like my loofah. So we're gonna do this. This stuff is all pretty run of the mill. And then I will shave and conditioner. That's the only other thing. I use the biotin conditioner. I'll throw that in my hair just because I'm doing so much. And then when I get out, we'll kind of finish with all the other things because I have all my body products and some face stuff over here. So yeah, we'll kind of finish off and see where we're at. When I did look, like after I did the like normal cleanser, my pores did look a lot better. So I think we're moving in the right direction. So for now, I'm gonna either listen to my audiobook or watch a YouTube video or something, and then I will get in the shower and we'll talk after. Okay, so out of shower, obviously hair wet, all that stuff. Now let's kind of finish off all these processes. So I can't really show you what I use this for, but this is the body serum mist from Tree Hut, and I think Ulta's not carrying this anymore because I got 4 bottles for like $12. But this is a squalane niacinamide tranexamic acid. I use this on my biopsy scar on my leg. So unless I like hike my leg up to the high heavens, which I guess I can, I just spray this right on there. It's just on like the inside of my thigh. So I spray that on every day without fail. Even if I don't do all this, I put that on every single day. Then while that dries, I'm going to take one of these exfoliating pads. This has, it's like oil control and salicylic acid. So it should burn a little bit because obviously we did the mask to purify everything. I like doing this when I especially have pimples. And I have a bunch on my forehead. And then it's down around these areas, like around my nose. I've been breaking out a lot, and I've just had some really bad blackheads here, and then anywhere that I've had some blemishes recently. So I just wiped down with one of those, and then moisturizer, I go in with the First Aid Beauty hydrating dewy gel cream, because this was a lot for my skin. I want to make sure that I'm really good and moisturized. So go in with this. And then last thing for the face, I'm just going to put some of this Wake Up eye gel on, reduce signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of skin. I use this morning and night. This is from Good Molecules. I think it's got like caffeine in it. So I just go under the eyes with this. I'm almost out of this, so that'll be in an empty soon. Now for my scalp, I'm gonna put on some of this Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density, and I am just going to find my little spot, which is right here where it gets real thin, and just put that right onto my scalp and massage that into that little spot. And that just sits. It's not an oil, it's just a serum, so it's not super dense or anything. Now for the body, which you guys won't really see, I am going to use this glycolic acid body lotion anywhere that I have like dark marks. So like armpits, bikini area, anywhere that my skin's a little bit darker, and I want it to just kind of all be smooth. Then I'm going to go in with a Bath & Body Works lotion. And then, just to be extra, I am going to put on this multi-oil body butter. You do the lotion to introduce the hydration. You do this to lock it in. So the internet tells me. And then I have a hand cream, which I will put on last. I thought about whitening my teeth, but they're actually not bad. So I'm going to skip that for now. But this is what I do for moisturizing wise. I go in with the treatment body lotion, the scented body lotion, the body butter to lock it all in, hand cream to help with my nails and my press-ons. So that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoy. I think my skin looks so much better. It's not like a complete 180. Oh my God, but it's definitely the kickstart that I need for it to look better in the future. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.